Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the screen record in your Motorola Edge 30 Neo. So first of all, slide up to go on settings here, then slide down and search for the display here. Yep. Now go down and will be option screen record. Capture a video of your screen while it was. So hit it. Viewfinder's size, so there is an icon, you can choose it, and resolution about the video, it's full HD or small HD. Record time limit, you can use unlimited or making how many minutes it can be recorded, and the file size limit to unlimited or whatever else. Record touch point, you can enable it to see where you hit with your finger, or if you have a connect your mouse, the view can be shown where you put the click on your screen. And as you see, there is a settings about the screen records. So let's slide in the upper bar here and search for a screen record. If you tap it, you're gonna be start record. Start recording. While recording, Android system can capture and sensitive information that's visible on screen and player on your device. This includes password, payments, info, photos, message, and audio. It's very important to don't record any of your personal data. Yep. So let's start. One and hit it. The display is now recording, so everything you do on your phone is now recorded. You can hit the microphone button to record the sound system or microphone, so it's gonna be record what you say. Yep. System, microphone and system, so it's gonna be both recording. So the sound from your telephone and from the voice which you're saying. You can draw something. It's looking nice for me. You can hit the camera to see yourself. As you see, oh, it's my hand. God damn it. Okay, so let's stop it. And let's check it out how it's video saved to screen record folder. Yep. So let's see if we have this screen record in our folder. So let's try to the photos. Yeah, we have in photos. So let's see how it look like. Our record. So as you see, where's our voice? It's gonna be record what you say. Yep. Okay. So as you see, our system, so it's gonna be both recording. So the sound from. Okay, looking nice. Anyway, it's all about the record screening. I thought that Motorola making it good because we can draw or something like that. We can see ourselves. Anyway, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by a next video.